Alright guys, so today we're preparing some nice boil and fry chana. So this you have the chana, we had to soak it like all night last night. So makes it easier to pressure and much softer. So we're gonna go ahead and pressure this like for additional like 20 minutes. So we're gonna let this pressure for like 20-25 minutes and we're gonna take it from there. So we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic and our pepper already grind up here. Gonna fry this up for less than a minute. That fry a little, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our other seasoning. So pretty much what you're looking at here is one onion that we chopped up, half spoon of jeera, 1 spoon of salt. We add a bit of Chinese spice to give it a nice flavor, and pretty much that's about it. We're gonna let that fry up a little, then we're gonna add this to fry up a little. So we're gonna go ahead and add this up now. And we're gonna let this fry. So when we add our chana and turn everything up at the end, this is gonna give it a good flavor. I'm just gonna fry this up a little. Hey guys, so another thing that we would want to add is a little bit of ginger. This brings out a really good flavor in it. Smells good. We're gonna turn this up a little, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our chana. Alright, so now we're going to add our chana. You have to turn it up a lot so the seasoning is all mixed up. It's gonna go well with some nice tamarind sour. You can use mango sour as well too. Smells yummy. You're gonna go ahead and add some parsley. Then we're going to add some green onions. Turn this up a little bit more. Pretty much done. Don't want to fry it too much. there you go, guys. Nice boiled and fried chana. Thank you for watching.